extreme weather over here, we actually looking at maybe nitrogen, cold air coming our way because the temperature is changing. Because it's going to be very cold sometimes. Because, by the way, with this giant warm front on the at 1 a.m. on the 18th, on a Thursday, let you know what's going on the northeast or time. But it's really very above average on the 18th still, but a little bit colder in Oklahoma, Mississippi, Alabama. But the temperature even more farther away, it is going to be a little bit chillier. This the second below average temperature headed towards on 22nd on November 23rd, and this massive cold air all the way reach to Florida. That's how big it's going to get, and it will be a massive warm air on the November 25th. The temperature difference will be extremely dangerous, very chilly, very cold, and a little bit warm in the next couple weeks. This all the way reach all the way to December. It's let you know what's going on over time, but the models only go to all the way to 27th. This is what the forecast can go to. But on the 19th, there's like a northeastern rain chance for it coming our way, but there's more rain coming. And maybe on 22nd, a little bit low pressure trying to form, but do not much. But a little bit lake effect snowing coming towards the northeast a little bit. And towards all the way to, and then turn back to rain, and it gonna be more rain is going towards New York City. We need to keep eye on how much snow going on, and it will affecting the above average temperature and also a below average temperature as well. So it's more factory with the snow, with the you can kind of see where the snow area is, like New Canada region, and a little bit snow in around Rockies in a little bit. But there's another storm will pop up at November 21st at 7 a.m. and we're producing a lot of flooding. Is headed towards it, and it's going to be more coming our way for it coming. For December 22nd, there's like a little bit heavy rain, precipitation all the way, like you know what's going to happening. But on December 23rd at 1 p.m., a very good snow in the northeast, and also more agitation. But the snow totals But there's the other thing as well, like a rain total. There's the first rainstorm, just couple of inch, and not much either until not much either. But maybe it shows a little bit more, but this is in 3 hours of that rain. You see a little bit more heavy rain precipitation. It shows more possibility in Florida region, and also this is what it looked like in 12 hours of the rain. But I mean, like rain like in 12 hours. How much each time it will going to take with that producing with the temperature to difference. And also with that temperature difference over time. Always. But there's a way to show you what's going on with above or below our temperature. This is really above, then will be like this cold air try to push this warm air away, and then you get cold air get a little bit bigger at 19th and then stop. But it shows much more better details about that change with that massive cold air in the around the Great Lakes region, and then moving to northward, and it gets a little bit bigger, but not much bigger, then push away from us. But it still could be there. Well, the above average and below average temperature difference. And but the clouds going to look like kind of like this, but a little bit much more different, a little bit cloudier on the 22nd and a little bit more cloudy over time with a low pressure system kicking in with a large cold air, and maybe it'll go be weird with the November Thanksgiving event, because that cold air could cause more traffic issues over day in day out over time, because there's not a lot of weird but the cool things about the clouds over time. But the clouds closer to right now is a little bit more, but at 12 like 11 on today on the 17th at 11 p.m. there's a chance for a large thunderstorm cloud around Mississippi, Alabama region, but reducing a lot of thunder and wars in the country toward their area. But otherwise, using that massive blue, maybe that's by the snow region, but we don't know. Well, could be a glitch or something like that. But on the 19th, there's a chance for a large, little bit some rain precipitating towards the region area. But who knows what's going to threat but that Mississippi region overnight. But reducing at 10 a.m. tomorrow on the Texas region, there's a little bit chance for a little bit thunderstorm in around Texas, and it just moving around the Gulf region, and it has been dissipating over time because there's not a lot of warm air in the path for it. What time of day it is on the tomorrow on the 18th. That's when there's a chance for it going on. This is what the farthest could look like on the satellite image. This is extreme weather out here.